Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your daily reward for free and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. Every day Grow a Garden will give you a random reward and you can claim it guys. Just go to the shop right here and then you will see the forever pack. Okay, and it will be resetted after 24 hours. And for today's pack, I will get the friendship pot. Wow. Sometimes you can get the sprinkler as well, such as the godly sprinkler or the advanced sprinkler. You can also get recall wrench or shackles. So don't forget to claim your daily daily reward or daily item. Okay, and okay guys, that's how you can get free items and grow a garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.